In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix file upload failed error in Microsoft Teams. If you're running into that message, it usually comes down to two things. You've run out of space in the OneDrive location Teams uses for your chat uploads, or your permissions don't allow you to add or change files. We'll walk through both step by step so you can get back to sharing files without interruptions. First, open your browser and search for OneDrive. Look for the official Microsoft OneDrive link. It will take you to Microsoft's sign-in page and then to your cloud storage. Make sure you're choosing the official site so you're managing the same storage Teams relies on for your chats. Next, sign in. It's important to use the exact same work or school account that you use in Teams. If you have multiple Microsoft accounts, double-check the account name or avatar in the top corner after you sign in to confirm you're in the right place. Using a different account can make it look like you have plenty of space when your Teams account is actually full. Once you're in OneDrive, navigate to the folder called Microsoft Teams Chat Files. This is the default location where files you upload in one-on-one and group chats are stored. If you've been sharing a lot, this folder can grow quickly and hit your storage limit, which triggers that upload error in Teams. Now, delete unneeded files to free up space. A simple approach is to sort the folder by size or by date to spot large or old items you no longer need. Before removing anything, consider whether others still rely on that file. Chat uploads often create shared links. If a file is no longer necessary, go ahead and remove it to reclaim space. Freeing up a meaningful chunk of storage helps ensure new uploads succeed. Give the page a moment to update after deletion so your available space refreshes. With space cleared, sign in to Teams on the web. This helps ensure your current account and permissions are recognized consistently across devices and that the storage changes are reflected when you try uploading next time. Finally, make sure you have edit permissions for the channel or chat where you're sharing. If you were recently added to a chat, permissions for older files might not have updated for you, which can block uploads or edits. In that case, allow some time for access to propagate or ask the chat or team owner to confirm your edit rights. That's it. By clearing space in OneDrive's Microsoft Teams chat files folder and confirming your edit permissions, you'll resolve most file upload failures in Teams.